Good morning everyone! Today is our last day here in Osaka, Japan. Grabe guys, parang kailan lang. Kakadating lang natin dito at sobrang excited nating i-explore ang Osaka. Tapos ngayon, ito na ang last day natin bago umuwi. Sorry guys ha, mukhang kakagising ko lang kasi dyan. Syempre guys, bago tayo magpaalam sa Japan, susulitin muna natin ang natitirang oras natin for our final stop before heading home. Bibisitahin natin ang Tennoji Park, Kitakuen Garden at ang iconic na Shinsekai. So at the moment guys, nandito tayo sa Kitakuen Garden.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead, 'cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought we might have been it, so my heart was shattered when it took the hit. Oh, I can't imagine doing all that again, even for one night, to see where it went. Here's the thing, you made your bed, I just got your stay out of my head. No, you can't bring us back from the dead, 'cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends.
So guys, Kitakuen Garden is a traditional Japanese garden na matatagpuan sa loob ng Tennoji Park area. So, it was originally designed in the early 1900s and hanggang ngayon, napapanatili pa rin nila ang kagandahan at elegance nito.
Name lighting on my phone when it was you who let go of everything we could have.
So guys, mamamasyal muna tayo dito sa loob ng Kitakuen Park. Tara!
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet, wanna stay home, not even drink, wanna get out of my own head, wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got, put on a dress, be a stranger's dream, lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your Pantene, wanna wear it to sleep tonight, wanna wipe our slate clean, wanna pick this thing up right where we left off, wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can.
Hi guys! So, dito tayo sa Shinsekai, Osaka. Medyo umuulan guys eh. Kaya, eto. Pero room around din tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung kung ano yung Shinsekai. Okay. Walang masyadong tao ngayon kasi umuulan.
We keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. We ain't slowing down. Moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. Yeah. No, we ain't slowing it down. Let's go. We ain't slowing down, baby. Come and show me how. Gotta do it right now. You know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium. Pull up with a team and I'm ain't worried about the other side. They know that they ain't beating. I'm on everything I love. Work to the man above. Keep it cool, calm, collected. At this point, you get the message. Life is hectic, but we gotta keep it rolling. No, gotta keep it grooving, keep it moving like we stole it though. Rolling with the punches, giving hits like we are Interscope. Even though I'm clocking, punching in, I'm independent though. Staying prayed up, ain't nothing gon' phase us. Ain't never gon' let a lame say what they just made up. I never take a pay cut, we getting what we worth in. I never change the blueprint cause we know it's really working. Keep on moving, moving. We keep on moving along. Keep it moving, keep it rolling, rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. Never slowing down, never moving, moving. We keep on moving along. Keep it moving, keep it rolling, rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. Never gonna lose it. Cause we in it for the movement. If I'm lying, then I'm flying. Don't play into their amusement. If we trying, we ain't dying. Never sleep, never, never sleep, never. The moment that you rest your head, they think they can't compete. If you gotta skip steps, then the plan is not complete. Get your reps in, get your reps in, get your. Never rest on a past success. You gotta love what you do if you tryna be the best. Keep on moving, moving. We keep on moving along. Keep it moving, keep it rolling, rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. Never slowing down, never moving, moving. We keep on moving, keep it moving, keep it rolling. Keep it rolling, keep it moving. We ain't never gonna lose it.
It's been 8 days and tomorrow we will be going back to the Philippines. Ang bilis ng panahon, guys. Imagine 8 days na kami dito sa Japan and bukas uuwi na kami sa Philippines. Natuwa ako, guys, kasi nag-iimpake na ako ngayon and ang dami kong nabili for pasalubong. Let me see. Ito, I bought a matcha green tea kasi maganda to sa katawan. And I also bought ito, yung barley. 100% barley young leaves. Tapos, bumili din ako ng ito, panghilot. Pasalubong ko sa nanay ko, panghilot niya sa katawan niya. And some other things. Bumili din ako nito, guys. Sabi kasi nila, masarap yung kamote dito sa Japan. Kaya, tinry ko siya. Magaganda kasi yung mga tea nila dito. Parang pag nilagay mo siya sa water, parang pag sinabi mong green tea, as in green na green siya. Unlike sa atin sa Philippines, 'di ba, pag bumili ka sa mga store, yung mga may kilalang brand na tea, pag nilagay mo siya sa water, hindi siya green. Parang ano siya, yung brown yung color. Pero dito, as in green na green, green talaga siya. See guys, bumili din ako nito, yung pang hot pot. Yung hot pot soup base. Ang ano nito, flavor nito is hotate hamaguri. So, 2 pieces siya. Parang hot pot, yung parang soup na ilalagay mo na lang sa hot water. Sa atin kasi nito, sa mga Korean store, napakamahal niya. Eh dito, magkano lang? Parang 100 JPY, equivalent to parang 80 pesos. Or mga 40 pala, 40 pesos. Bumili din ako nito, guys. Yung, ano nga to, parang matcha coated with chocolate. Ito, pampasalubong ko sa mga ka-office mate ko pagbalik ko ng Pilipinas. Siguro maganda to. Parang coated siya. Meron siyang matcha sa ibabaw. Ito siya, guys. Gusto ko rin sana, guys, bumili ng yung strawberry. Kaso, hindi kasi siya pwedeng maalog-alog sa biyahe. Pag inalog-alog mo, yung maalog-alog na siya ganyan, parang nagtutubig na siya. Kasi 'di ba, parang yung strawberry dito sa Japan, kakaiba siya unlike sa atin. Maliliit tapos sobrang maasim. Dito kasi yung strawberry nila, parang ngayon lang ako nakatikim ng strawberry na sobrang matamis at saka yung malalaki. Pero not bad na rin yung price kasi yung isang pack, nagkakahalaga siya ng 800 JPY. Parang ano siya, 300 pesos. Kasi yung isang pack na malaki na dalawa siya na isang box na dalawa yung pack niya, bali 1,500 JPY. So parang yung 1,000 is 400, yung 500 parang 750 pesos. Pero matutuwa ka rin naman sa lasa guys kasi sobrang matamis. Yun. Actually, yung mga ibang fruits nila, ang tatamis din. Like ito guys, bumili ako ng yung green apple. Green apple, ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung green apple nila. Sobrang matamis din siya. Ang tamis talaga niya. Unlike sa Philippines, ito 498 JPY lang to. Nasa 250 pesos. Ang laman nito is 6. Not bad na rin. Yung mga fruits nila dito, mura. Tsaka talagang may quality. Unlike sa atin, yung mga may quality ang mamahal, diba? Yun. Bumili din pala ako guys nito. Yung parang panlagay siya sa soup. Ano lang to guys yung mga dried shrimp, yung maliliit na shrimp. Tapos may mga seaweeds. Yun, ilalagay mo lang to sa soup. Masarap to. Kasi diba dito sa Japan, mahilig sila sa mga soup. Yung mga noodles, yung mga ganun. Parang sa 8 days na stay ko dito at pagkain sa labas, laging ang nakikita ko yung mga soup. Parang bihira lang ako dito na nakakakita na kumakain ng kanin. Puro mga soup, takoyaki, yung mga ganun. So ito guys, ito rin pala yung isa sa binili ko. So ito, masarap talaga siya. So, yun, maganda sa Japan guys, lahat dito, yung kanilang, lalo na yung mode of transportation nila, although nakakalito kasi first time naman namin dito, so mostly mode of transportation here in Japan is by train. Train talaga, kasi mabibilis ang train, pero medyo pricey din yung compared sa atin. Pricey yung kanilang fare, kasi siguro nagre-range siya ng ang one way, depende sa layo, 100 pesos. So, siguro, depende sa kung saan kalayo yung pupuntahan mo, yun yung kanilang mode of transportation. Tapos, dito sa Japan guys, yung time sa kanila is very precious. Like yesterday, nag-attend kami ng tour. So, pag sinabi nila na 8 AM, aalis na yung bus, dapat before 8 nandun ka na kasi kung 8:01 or 8:02, 8:05 ka dumating, iiwanan ka na nila at hindi ka na nila aantayin. So, ganun ka-precious ang time nila dito. Tsaka napansin ko guys, yung mga pagkain nila, more on sila noodles, hindi sila more on rice. Parang sa restaurant, parang kami lang yung nakita ko na kumakain ng rice. Unlike dito, puro noodles, mga ganon. Ganon lang yung kinakain nila. Pero guys, di ba, ang Japan is number 1 siya when it comes to the yung life expectancy kasi umaabot sila ng hanggang 100 years. So, maganda yung government naman ng Japan. Maayos, malinis, yung mga transportation system nila, okay naman. Tapos, ang uso pala dito guys, pag nasa mga kalsada ka, puro nagbabike lang yung mga tao. Siguro yung bike na yon para ma-exercise yung mga tao, tapos to lessen the pollution around the area. Ayun guys. Ito yung bathroom namin guys, tignan nyo. Maliit lang siya pero okay naman. Yung toilet nila dito, ito, as in talagang, ayan push button na siya. Yung bidet, ipupush mo na lang dyan. Tapos pag uupo ka, may mainit ng tubig. Tapos, ito, maliit lang actually yung bathroom. Pero ang ganda niya, ang cute. Tapos yan, meron silang pinrovide na hand soap. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung bathtub nila. Meron ding shampoo. Tapos, meron ding liquid soap. May conditioner. Tapos, may shower. Yan, meron siyang shower. Tapos, yan. Tapos, may provided din silang mga towels. Yan, ganyan lang siyang kaliit yung aming bathroom. Pero, okay naman siya. Yan, maliit nga lang kasi 'di ba dito sa Japan, maliliit lang talaga yung mga toilet nila, pero state of the art sila kasi lahat walang manual na toilet. As in talagang lahat puro push button. Ayan siya, guys. Oh, not bad na rin 'di ba yung Airbnb na nabook namin.